12. What's your size, sir?
I don't know.
I don't know, but you think this is a pair of shoes?
Maybe.
Maybe. From what country are you, sir?
Country?
From what country?
Italy.
Ooh! Bellissimo!
Ay, kalis. Oy, Italy.
Italy. I went there, sir. Punta tayo dyan. Hindi ba kayo ng Tagalog, sir? Ayan. Oo. Di ba iba na ang BHBC? Ayan. We go international. Again, sir. So, what is your perfect holiday gift for yourself?
Holiday, Philippines.
Philippines. Staying in the Philippines.
I won't say here, yes.
And you have already the heart of a Filipino.
I in my life.
All your life.
Last day.
Oh, there. Can you join us, ma'am? Nandyan daw yung ano niya. Ah, there! Sorry po, masyado po mataas. Madam, ang taas ang tingin ko, madam. Ito, madam.